Hi, this is Aaron at Classic Vacuum in North Canton, Ohio. Today, Jane and I are going to show you how to saturate your Hizero roller. You haven't used your machine in a while, this will dry out. It's kind of like a sponge. You can see mine here, it's pretty bone dry. So you can soak it in the water, but I have a better way to more quickly, completely saturate this roller. The best thing to do is fill your sink up with enough water to cover the top of the roller. So if you just put your roller under water here, warm water works best, and just start massaging the roller, very quickly the water will get into here. You can start to feel unevenness of parts that are completely wet and parts that are not completely wet. And you just keep squeezing and massaging the material until you can feel it's consistently, completely saturated. After that, squeeze out the excess water. And you're ready to put this in your Hizero machine. So when I first got my Hizero, I would just stick this underwater and maybe put a weight on it. And after 10-15 minutes, it still wasn't completely soft. So this method, I think it took about 15-20 seconds. It's much faster. It's saturated and wet all the way through, and it's ready to be put in my Hizero machine. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, email, call. We'll be happy to get back to you.